All right, welcome back. It's Friday, so you know what that means. We are in the kitchen cooking up something good with the Dessert Diva.
That's right, guys. You know, St. Patrick's Day's Tuesday.
Yeah.
And they canceled the river, but they can't cancel the cupcakes.
They
can't cancel the cupcakes, so you can make something fun and, you know, celebrate at home. But what I'm going to do is these cupcakes are very simple, but I'm going to show you how to do the frosting.
Nice.
Because frosting, I think, some people think it's hard. It's very simple. And this is butter and cream cheese. And so we're going to do it real fast, and then you're going to frost.
I love it. Yeah, because
cupcakes,
sometimes when I make the icing, it gets a little clumpy sometimes.
Well, I'm going to show you, Avery, how to not have
Perfect.
clumpy frosting. Okay, so first of all, these are Bailey's. I didn't use Bailey's, actually. I used a different brand, St. Brendan's, but these are Irish cream infused cupcakes. So, yay. So that's all we did. And then, you know, the little sprinkles and some little toppings we have here, and that's what you're going to do with yours. So let's go.
Okay.
All right, so I've got 1/4 cup of butter. And then I've got, well, you can start frosting.
I was anxious.
And then like I said, I do cream cheese. I don't do all butter. I like the tang of the cream cheese with this, so I think it makes for a nice flavor. Then almond extract. Whenever I use cream cheese and butter, I use a little bit of almond extract for that. And then you're just going to stir that up, so already you can see how easy it is. Now, obviously, what you're doing here, that's when it's the finished product.
Okay. I didn't realize that I have my own little thing.
I gave you your own frosting. And I've got green food coloring here. You can make it green. I like to do it white, and then I can do green sprinkles or fun sprinkles or the rainbow. But then you're going to do about 2 cups of powdered sugar.
Okay.
And you stir that up. And see, I'm making this in your frosting. And that's what it's going to look like. Isn't it beautiful?
It is, and I can smell the almond in it.
Yeah, I can smell that
really
too.
Good.
And then you're going to do, this is where people end up using too much sugar because they put way too much milk in right away. So you just put a little bit of milk. You can use heavy cream or whatever. You stir that. Isn't that nice, though?
It smells so good.
Now, you see how you have your cupcake out and there's still this right here?
Yeah.
One of the things when you're baking is put your cupcake. No, you know, you bake it in the liner. But then what I do is I always stick it in another one, just like you have there. It looks, if you can see, it looks cute.
And what does that do?
And it catches that. It just looks better because the cupcake, when you bake it in, it really sticks to the cupcake. And this just, it looks cute for... It looks cute.
It is cute. I love it.
For showing. So anyway, put your sprinkles on.
All right.
And what are we doing?
About 15 more seconds.
All right. Well, we'll stir. Well, this is done already. You saw how fast that came together. I just have to stir it. Oh my gosh, you did wonderful. That's the little rainbow. If you want the pipette, you go like this, and then you infuse even more.
Look at the Irish.
You put that right there, and boom, we did it.
Love it. Looks great. Thank you so much for this. We'll put this on the website so everyone can make these too.
Thanks.
I'm going to dig in.
Thanks so much, Dessert Diva. Let's send it on now to Amanda Holly.
You know, it's also this